Number 2 is word choice. Now you may recognize my face as a Te Reo Māori, a Maori language teacher. I've often spoken about the importance of your first language, your primary language. Forget about learning a secondary language. It is just as important as trying to learn your second language as it is to improving what you know about your first language. Improve the level of vocabulary that you have. Improve the number of words that you know. Because when it comes to speaking with grace, because when it comes to conflict, when it comes to having a discussion with something, having more words in your vocabulary is only a good thing. The more words you know, the better you are positioned to be able to be more nuanced in your response, be more nuanced in being able to express yourself. And through that, we can use the right words.